Are you ready to throw the most vibrant and unforgettable Mexican fiesta? Whether it's for Cinco de Mayo, a birthday bash, or just a weekend gathering, the right decorations will set the mood and bring your party to life. In this video, we'll explore stunning decoration ideas that will make your fiesta the talk of the town. Let's jump in and start decorating. How can I create a colorful fiesta backdrop for photos? A stunning backdrop ensures your guests have the perfect spot for Instagram-worthy photos. Here's how to create one. 1. Balloon arch. Use bright colored balloons in shades of red, green, yellow, and blue. Add small papel picado banners for extra flair. 2. Marigold garlands. These traditional flowers bring vibrant energy to any backdrop. Hang marigold garlands along with sombreros for an authentic fiesta look. 3. Fiesta wall decor. Use Mexican blankets, sombreros, and paper fans to add layers and textures to your backdrop. Want more creative ideas? Check the description for a full playlist of party decoration tips. How can I incorporate Mexican cultural elements into my fiesta decorations? Cultural authenticity brings life and soul to your fiesta. Here's how. 1. Talavera pottery. Use traditional Talavera-style plates, bowls, and flower pots as decor pieces. They are colorful and reflect Mexican heritage beautifully. 2. Mariachi-inspired decor. Display miniature mariachi figurines or instruments like guitars and maracas as part of your table or wall decor. 3. Mexican flags. Include the Mexican flag or its colors, green, white, and red, in your decorations. Think banners, napkins, or even tablecloths. Looking for more decor inspiration? Hit subscribe for weekly decoration tips. What are some creative ways to use food as decoration? Food isn't just for eating, it can also be a vibrant part of your decor. Here's how. 1. Taco bar display. Create a colorful taco bar using vibrant trays and bowls. Label everything with festive handwritten signs. 2. Fruit skewers. Arrange fresh fruit skewers with pineapple, watermelon, and mango. Display them in colorful jars or platters. 3. Edible centerpieces. Build a centerpiece using stacked churros, candy jars, or even stacked avocados for a quirky touch. Loving these edible decor ideas? Check out more party hacks in the description. How do I create a kid-friendly Mexican fiesta setup? If kids are attending your fiesta, you'll want decorations that are fun and engaging for them. 1. Candy station. Set up a colorful candy table with traditional Mexican treats like tamarind candy and spicy gummies. 2. Craft corner. Provide a crafting area where kids can decorate their own sombreros or make papel picado banners. 3. Mini piñatas. Have mini piñatas filled with small toys or candy specifically for the kids section. Planning a kid-friendly fiesta? Check out similar videos in the description. What are the must-have traditional decorations for a Mexican fiesta? Traditional decorations are the heart and soul of an authentic Mexican fiesta. Here are 3 essentials. 1. Papel picado. These colorful, intricately cut paper banners are a staple of any Mexican celebration. Hang them across your backyard, over the dining area, or around your patio for a festive vibe. 2. Piñatas. A party isn't complete without a piñata. Choose a traditional star-shaped piñata or one that matches your theme. It's both decorative and entertaining for guests of all ages. 3. Bright table runners. Use vibrant serape table runners to cover your dining tables. Pair them with colorful dinnerware and handmade pottery for an authentic Mexican touch. Enjoying these decoration ideas? Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. What are some DIY centerpiece ideas for a Mexican fiesta table? DIY centerpieces are budget-friendly and can add a personal touch to your fiesta. Try these. 1. Cactus and succulents. Arrange small potted cacti and succulents in colorful terracotta pots. Add small flags or papel picado toothpicks for added charm. 2. Mason jar maracas. Paint mason jars in bright fiesta colors and fill them with flowers. Tie ribbons around the lids for a festive finish. 3. Mini piñata centerpieces. Use miniature piñatas as table centerpieces. Fill them with candy or small trinkets for guests to take home. Which centerpiece idea was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. What lighting works best for a Mexican fiesta? The right lighting sets the perfect festive mood. Here's how to illuminate your fiesta. 1. String lights. Use warm string lights across your party space for a cozy, inviting glow. Choose bulbs in fiesta colors for an extra pop. Lanterns. Hang colorful paper lanterns or tin star lanterns for an authentic Mexican atmosphere. 3. Candles. Place vibrant glass candle holders on tables and pathways to create a romantic fiesta ambiance at night. Want to know where to find these amazing lights? Check the description for product links. From vibrant papel picado to colorful table settings and enchanting lighting, your Mexican fiesta decorations are sure to create an unforgettable celebration. Whether it's a backyard party or a grand indoor setup, these tips will help you bring the vibrant spirit of Mexico to life. Now it's time to get creative, add your personal touch, and let the fiesta begin. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more party inspiration. Viva la fiesta!